मुझे खुशी है कि भारत जो 2016 में स्टार्टअप इंडिया के रास्ते में उसकी शुरुआत हुई माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के निर्देश और डायरेक्शन के अंदर में 11 से आज ऑलरेडी 79 यूनिकॉर्न्स बन चुके हैं भारत में और बहुत तेज़ी से ये आगे बढ़ने वाले हैं। इसके लिए मुझे लगता है कि भारत में एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की जो एस्पिरेशन है, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने हमें निर्देशन दिया कि भारत को कैसे स्टार्टअप और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में दुनिया के टॉप 5 हर इंडस्ट्री में दुनिया के टॉप 5 लेवल्स पे लेकर के जाया जाए और मैं और इंडस्ट्री के सारे कैप्टन्स ये करने के लिए पूरी तरीके से कमिटेड हैं।
What's most important is his focus on research, innovation, his belief in the capacity that India has to step way beyond where we are. And he has laid out a very clear vision statement saying that in every sector, in every industry, in every area that we are, we should be in the top 5 in the global rankings, and if possible, number 1. That kind of attitude, that kind of tone from the top, I think will energize the country to go way beyond our current success and strive for something much more. The way he put it out is that it's like getting an Olympic gold medal. Each and every Indian, in whatever that they're trying to do, should be striving to have an Olympic gold medal.
इंडिया के अंदर उनका जो सपना है कि हर क्षेत्र में वर्ल्ड की टॉप 5 कंपनीज में इंडिया की कंपनी हो। अगर 20 कंपनियां हैं तो 5 कंपनियां भारतवर्ष से होनी चाहिए और गवर्नमेंट उसके लिए सारी रिस्क लेने के लिए तैयार है और प्लेटफॉर्म और इनेबलिंग इन्वायरमेंट बनाने के लिए तैयार है। तो एक तरीके से ये इंटरेक्शन सेशन भी था जिसमें हम लोगों की क्या क्या विशेज़ हैं और हम क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस कर रहे हैं, उसमें गवर्नमेंट और कैसे सकारात्मक काम कर सकती है। बट उसके साथ एक बहुत बढ़िया इंस्पिरेशनल डिस्कशन भी था जिसमें भारतवर्ष ने इतना किया है और गवर्नमेंट इतनी रिस्क ले रही है, इंडस्ट्री अब कैसे आगे बढ़कर विश्व के टॉप 5 कंपनी में हर सेक्टर में कैसे बन सकती है।
I think time has come for Indian business, Indian industry, India's banking and financial sector to think about scale without fear. And I'm very enthused about the potential of India, and Indian banking and finance is out there ready to support industry across CD, that is sustainability, inclusion, digital and infrastructure. We will grow, we will make India happen, and Indian financial sector will make India happen as per the dreams of the Prime Minister.
I think it's been wonderful because there's a lot of support for industry. The Prime Minister has himself said that you need private sector, a strong private sector. So his trust and support of the industry is very important to motivate industry. I think industry is supporting the government and bringing India back to the position of being the fastest growing large economy in the world. I think the Prime Minister's position of a very pragmatic long-term goal and a very aggressive short-term goal is very important for the country, and industry actually sees a lot of opportunities. There will be some disruptions, but I think there's a lot of opportunities to redefine the way we see the future.
The interaction with the PM was very interesting, very positive, very encouraging. He heard all of us out very patiently for over almost 2 hours. And heard about all the issues and problems and also the opportunities that corporates like us talked about in our respective sectors. And then at the end he spoke about the opportunities in India, what his expectations were from corporate India, that he wanted Indians and corporate India particularly to be courageous and step forward to take advantage of the massive opportunities that exist in India right now, and really get into doing things in a very different way.
Particularly in the wake of COVID, there was a huge challenge for the financial sector. But under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi, the kind of steps which were taken, they were all out of box. They could help the economy to recover. It's not only that, the public sector banks consolidation could happen, which actually created banks of size. Particularly at this point of time, when the economy is at the cusp of the mega growth event, we need banks which are bigger in size, which also have got adequate capital to support such ambitions of the economy. And I think he has rightly given us the leadership which helps us to achieve the aspiration of the economy. And I'm sure it will go a long way in terms of improving the image of the country in the global space.
The Prime Minister's leadership has been absolutely inspiring. Over the years, he led literally from the front, and me as a healthcare worker, I know the amount of work which went in during the COVID times, and I'm so proud to be an Indian. The Ayushman Bharat scheme or the Atmanirbhar scheme, which was both, discussed, he gave us a patient hearing. But the amazing thing is that every point each one of the industrialists put forth, he remembered it and spoke about it in the interaction, which I think is amazing for a head of state. His leadership has been inspirational. His message was very clear that while the government can support, you are the ones who have to go there, achieve and perform.
Under the PM's dynamic leadership, what was really evident today was this is a very bold and confident India. The whole interaction today was about how do we take India forward. And I think it was a wonderful interaction. It was open and we could freely communicate our thoughts. And PM is a very patient listener. So with his patience and his keenness to take this country forward, his suggestions, comments, his expansive thinking and his vision fills us with a very strong sense of confidence that India will move ahead very strongly in the coming decade.
Mr. Prime Minister has a great vision. He has a grand vision, great vision, and whatever is happening right now, all our future generations will be indebted to his great vision. It is not only the way he's running the country, but the way he has helped the country to come out of these very difficult pandemic situations. One, he has come out with a lot of decisions on PLIs, decisions on industry, and most important is that his vision has derived. I come from the electronic industry, and the way things are happening, whether it was PLI or whether it is the exports out of the country, it has been doing extremely well.
Honorable Prime Minister has grand vision and ambitions for India. Auto industry is fully committed to contribute to his grand vision by making India a manufacturing hub for the world, increasing the export and increasing localization. I think the most foreign investors around the world like to invest in India because they got the confidence of the policy that they established with Mr. Modi. If Modi is here, we can invest. In addition, that his grand vision, the PLI scheme and other policy support will help development and growth of the industry. So it is very positive.
First and foremost, I think this is a great way of taking feedback. And the thing which really stood out was the optimism amongst everyone. People see that India is on a cusp of greatness, and the ideas also were all flowing in from what India could do better. And I think that's the new spirit in the new India. And that is where it has been absolutely a pleasant hour, where people came out with different ideas on how India could accelerate the growth story even further.